Have you ever wondered, what causes autism? It's a question many people ask, and for good reason. Autism, or autism spectrum disorder, is a complex condition affecting how people communicate, interact, and experience the world. But the answer to what causes it isn't simple. Research tells us there isn't just one cause. Instead, it's a fascinating, intricate combination of genetic influences and environmental factors working together. Think of it like a recipe with many ingredients, where the exact mix varies for each person. Genetics play a very significant role. Often, it's the biggest piece of the puzzle. Studies show that between 60 to 90% of the risk of autism comes from our genes. It's not usually one single gene, but many different ones that influence how the brain develops and how its cells communicate. Sometimes, these genetic differences are inherited from parents, even if the parents don't have autism themselves. Now let's talk about environmental factors. These aren't just external toxins, but a wide range of influences, primarily occurring before or around birth. Things like advanced parental age, exposure to certain infections, air pollution, or specific medications during pregnancy can increase the risk. Even complications during birth, such as extreme prematurity or very low birth weight, might play a part. It's important to remember, these factors increase risk, they don't guarantee autism. So, how do these factors cause autism? Scientists believe they affect crucial aspects of early brain development. This can lead to atypical brain organization, differences in how brain regions connect, and how nerve cells communicate. These differences then influence the characteristics we associate with autism. And a crucial point, decades of scientific research have overwhelmingly confirmed that vaccines do not, in any way, cause autism. This is a harmful myth that has been thoroughly debunked. Understanding the causes of autism is a journey, not a destination. It's a complex interplay of genetics and environment, leading to differences in brain development. As research continues, we gain more insights, which is key to better understanding and supporting autistic individuals throughout their lives. Subscribe for more fun facts.